Hello children, this is Suji, your social science teacher and this is your video 2 on your first chapter, Physical Features of India. Your next topic is an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, it's also a landform. Indian islands are divided into two types. One is volcanic island, next is coral islands. Andaman and Nicobar group of islands are examples of volcanic islands, and Lakshadweep islands are examples of coral islands. These islands are found in the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea respectively. And you can see some of the hills on the islands, and they are covered with evergreen forest. Do you know what's in the evergreen forest? Forest which remains green throughout the year because of continuous rainfall. Coconut is the main produce of these islands. There are about 572 islands in the Andaman and Nicobar group, 36 islands in Lakshadweep. The main tribal groups of Andaman and Nicobar group of islands are the Great Andamanis, the Jarawas, the Sentinelese, the Onges and the Sompans. First of all, you have to know the difference between coral islands and volcanic islands. Coral islands begin as a volcanic island or hot spot. As a volcano emerges, erupt from the sea, a fringing reef. Do you know what's a fringing reef? That is nothing but a coral reef that lies close to the shore. Fringing reef grows on the outskirts of the volcano. The volcano eventually moves off the hot spot through a process known as plate tectonics. About this process, plate tectonics, you will be learning in your higher classes, geography. Okay. The next one is oceanic islands, which is also called as volcanic islands. These islands are formed by the eruption of volcanoes on the ocean floor. Ocean floor is nothing but the bottom of a sea or ocean. When the tops of the volcano appear above the water, an island is formed. This is what the difference between coral and volcanic islands. See, these are the images of some famous tourist places in Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. See how beautiful it is. Your next topic is plateau. Plateau is also a landform which are flat uneven tablelands which are higher than the plains. The largest plateau in India is Deccan Plateau. This plateau covers most of the southern part of the country. It is located between three mountain ranges. They are Western Ghats in the west, the Eastern Ghats in the east, and the Satpura and Vindhya ranges in the north. The Deccan Plateau is spread across 8 states. How many states? 8 states. They are Telangana, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The rivers in the Deccan Plateau dry up in the summer and are filled during rainy season. Rains in the Deccan region continue from June to October. The period from March to June can be very hot. Okay. Yeah. The animals, minerals, crops and rivers found in the Deccan Plateau are listed here. Okay. Four-horned antelope, wild buffalo, blackbuck and Indian giant squirrel. So these are some of the animals that we can see in Deccan Plateau. See, these are the images of those animals. As I told you, four-horned antelope, wild water buffalo, blackbuck and Indian giant squirrel. Okay. Next, minerals, diamonds, gold and other metals. Crops, cotton, sugarcane, rice and other crops. River, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Mahanadi. Okay. Shall we test ourselves? Yes. Name the landform which you like the most. So we have seen different landforms from the video 1 to video 2. Right? Mountains, hills, plains, plateaus, deserts, islands. Among all these landforms, which one you like the most? Okay. What are the characteristics of the landform which you have selected? You have to write the nature of the landform. Okay. Good. Next one. So you have learned something in this video too, right? So I would like to ask you few questions. Okay, based on the video. What is an island? Okay, next question. What is a plateau? Good. Next question. Name some tribal groups of the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. Next one. Which is the largest plateau in India? Next one. Tabulate and explain the animals, minerals, crops and rivers found in the Deccan Plateau. For this, you have to refer your content book page number 16. Thanks for watching the video. Keep watching.